In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install macOS 27 Golden Gate to your MacBook. So without getting further ado, let's get started. So now let's start with a comprehensive guide. Before installing macOS 27 Golden Gate, we'll just make sure you just create a time machine. In case if anything goes wrong, we can get back to our original macOS that is stable. So to create the time machine, just go to settings, and now you just head over to storage and make sure that the disk size is much bigger than this size, this occupied size. So connect your SSD to the MacBook. My SSD is connected. Now go to App Drawer and search for disk utility. Open it. You just make sure you select your external SSD. This is the SSD. Choose this option, erase. Before you click on the erase option, make sure that every data on your SSD is backed up, because in this process you'll lose everything. Just click on erase. Put the name as time machine. Choose the format as APFS and the scheme type as GUID, and then click on erase. Now it's done. You can see it's been renamed to time machine. Now you just close it and then just open your settings again, and here you just see the time machine. Select it. Select add backup disk option. Choose the disk as it is here in my case. Now select setup disk. Now if you want to encrypt the disk, you also choose, but in my case I'm not encrypting. But if you choose encrypt backup, then they will definitely gonna choose your password. I'm just not opting, and then just choose disk uses limit as none, and now just click on done. It may take 15 minutes to 1 hour depending on your space, whatever you're trying to backup. Now you can see the backup is completed. When the backup is completed, we'll go to the next step. Now you just open your browser and search for developer.apple.com. Here just click on sign in. Here you just log in with your Apple ID, and here you just verify your PIN. Now just choose trust. Now here you just read the terms and conditions for developer agreement, and here you just select yes, then click I agree. Now here you just click on get started, or you can just skip and then just click remind me later. Yeah. Now we are here. Now you just close it and go to settings, go to software updates, and now just click on this I button, and now here click on the drop down, and here you see macOS 27 Golden Gate Developer Beta is there. Select it and click on done. Now you just wait a few seconds. Now here you see macOS 27 Beta is approximately 7 gigs in size. Now click on upgrade now. Choose I agree. After putting in Mac password, click on OK. You gotta wait here approximately 1 hour depending on your internet speed. Now here you see it's completed. Now click on restart and your installation will be started. Now it's completed, and put a password. Click on get started. Congratulations, you've successfully installed macOS 27 Golden Gate to your MacBook. Here you can see my MacBook Air Pro is completely installed with macOS 27 Beta. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Takes You down below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.